There is something quietly revolutionary about transforming what many consider waste into objects of beauty. In the world of woodworking, scrap wood is often seen as little more than leftover material, fragments, offcuts, edges trimmed away in pursuit of perfection. But in the hands of a mindful maker, those remnants take on a second life, becoming pieces that not only reflect creative ingenuity, but also carry the subtle weight of environmental responsibility. This philosophy of mindful making, where creativity and stewardship intersect, comes alive vividly in the transformation of scrap wood into beautiful outdoor decor. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today we will show you a collection of easy and profitable outdoor wood decor from scrap wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. At first glance, outdoor decor might seem like a casual corner of design, a secondary concern behind the more formal interiors of a home. But in truth, outdoor spaces are where the soul of a house often breathes most freely. Patios, balconies, gardens, and porches offer an emotional openness that invites authenticity. They are spaces of ease, of connection, of memory-making. And the decor that graces these areas, especially when made from reclaimed wood, holds a charm that is both aesthetic and ethical. Working with scrap wood is, in itself, a practice of mindfulness. It asks the maker to slow down, to observe, and to see potential where others might see flaws. Knots, weathering, uneven edges, these imperfections become character when reimagined with care. Unlike pristine lumber from the store, scrap wood challenges the artisan to respond to the material, not just dictate to it. The process becomes a dialogue. What shape is already here? What history does this wood carry? How can it be honored through design? This respect for material is more than artistic humility. It's a form of environmental responsibility. In a world where resources are often extracted and discarded with little regard, choosing to work with scrap wood is a quiet act of rebellion. It says, nothing is too small to matter. It embraces sustainability, not as a trendy label, but as a lived ethic. Every planter box, garden bench, birdhouse, or lantern made from reclaimed wood is a testament to the belief that beauty does not require newness. It requires vision. That vision is what turns simple slats into meaningful outdoor decor. Imagine a vertical herb garden built from mismatched fence boards, each with a slightly different hue, together creating a patchwork of texture and warmth. Picture a set of hanging lanterns crafted from pallet wood, their weathered surfaces casting dappled light onto a summer evening gathering. Envision a rustic garden sign, hand-painted on a scrap plank, pointing not just to the tomatoes, but to a slower, more intentional way of living. These are not just objects. They are experiences shaped by the past and alive in the present. And they are not only beautiful, they are profitable. In today's market, consumers are increasingly seeking products that align with their values. They want items that feel unique, personal, and responsible. Outdoor decor crafted from scrap wood fits this demand with integrity. It is handmade, sustainable, and often one of a kind. Customers know they aren't buying something mass-produced in a distant factory. They are investing in a story of rescue, reinvention, and purpose. This opens rich opportunities for woodworkers, whether hobbyists or professionals. Scrap wood is often free or very inexpensive to source, which means the profit margins on these projects can be substantial. At craft fairs, on Etsy, or through local markets, makers can sell pieces that carry both charm and conscience. More importantly, they can educate their customers, not with lectures, but through the work itself. Each piece becomes an ambassador for a different kind of consumption, slower, more thoughtful, and more connected to nature. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. But the value extends beyond economics. The creative process of working with scrap wood for outdoor decor is deeply fulfilling. There's a joy in seeing discarded material come together into something useful and loved. It builds confidence. It sharpens design instincts. It invites experimentation. How might two odd-shaped pieces fit together? What kind of finish best highlights the wood's age and wear? How can functionality and beauty merge in a single form? This kind of making nurtures a different relationship with time. It's not about rushing to produce or pushing through for the sake of volume. It's about presence, about touching the wood, understanding its lines, and shaping it not against its nature, but with it. In this way, the act of crafting outdoor decor from scrap wood becomes meditative. It becomes not just a job or a hobby, but a way of being in the world, a way that says, I am paying attention. And the spaces that receive these pieces change. 2. A garden with a handmade trellis feels different than one lined with metal store-bought stakes. A patio decorated with reclaimed wood planters carries a warmth that no plastic pot can match. These environments feel more grounded, more personal. They tell the story of the maker and the material, of past meeting present. They invite the people who live there to pause, to appreciate, and to connect. It's also important to note that this kind of woodworking fosters community. Sharing techniques for reclaiming wood, swapping offcuts with fellow artisans, or collaborating on larger installations, these actions build networks. They strengthen local economies and reduce waste collectively. They encourage others, customers, students, family members, to reconsider what can be made, reused, or beautified. In this sense, each project becomes more than a piece of decor. It becomes a seed of change. In modern design, where the line between indoors and outdoors continues to blur, the importance of outdoor decor is only growing. People are investing more in their exterior spaces, not just for entertaining, but for solitude, gardening, reading, and reconnecting with themselves. Wooden decor that speaks to this need, crafted from reclaimed sources, with care and creativity, meets the moment perfectly. It satisfies aesthetic desire and soul-level longing. It offers something real. In the end, transforming scrap wood into beautiful outdoor decor is about more than making products. It is about embodying a philosophy, a belief that art and ethics belong together, that usefulness and elegance can share space. That waste is not an endpoint, but a new beginning. This mindset changes how we create, how we consume, and how we live in the spaces we call home. For the mindful maker, each piece is a practice in gratitude for the material, for the process, for the chance to contribute something meaningful. And for the person who places that piece in their garden, porch, or patio, it is a quiet reminder that beauty often grows from what we almost left behind. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked easy and profitable outdoor wood decor from scrap wood. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, Stay safe and stay blessed.